Hello everyone, I am Deepali Sriram Vevare. Today I am delivering a presentation on furniture e-commerce web application. Our group members are Shrutika Bavaskar, Deepali Vevare, Vittal Pise and Akshay Ingre, and this project is guided by Professor N.N. Kumbhar sir. So let's move towards the presentation. These are the contents of our presentation, namely introduction, background, non-functional or operational requirement, data flow diagram, hardware required, software required, goals, furniture scope, conclusion and references. Introduction. Furniture e-commerce is fast gaining ground as an accepted and used business paradigm. More and more business houses are implementing website providing functionality for performing commercial transaction over the web. The objective of this project is to develop a general purpose e-commerce. An online store is a virtual store on the internet where customer can browse the catalog and select product of interest. The select items may be collected in a shopping cart. At checkout time, the items in the shopping cart will be presented as an order. At that time, more information will be needed to complete the transaction. Usually, the customer will be asked to fill or select a billing address, a shipping address, a shipping option, and payment information such as credit card number. An email notification is sent to customer as soon as the order is placed. Then background. Data management, data description, data object, database table diagram, relationships. Data management. A database management system is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. A DBMS generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field names, record structure, and file structure. It also defines rules to validate and manipulate this data. Some other DBMS examples include MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, DBase. Then data description. This database consists of user, product detail, order detail, and order product detail. Then data object. This consists of user, product detail, order detail, and order product detail. Then database table diagram. Database table diagram is also consists of user, product detail, order detail, and order product detail. User related information is sign ID, name, mobile number, mail ID, address, password, user type. Then product detail contain product ID, category ID, product name, product dimension, price, tax, product description, product image, available stock, product unique ID. While order details are order ID, customer ID, order date, status, delivery charges, total amount and address ID. An order product detail consists of order product ID, product ID, quantity. Non-functional or operational requirement. Security, efficiency and maintainability, system architecture, functional requirement. Security. Pages must be accessed in the way they were intended to be accessed. Include files shall not be accessed outside of their parent file. Administrator can only perform administrative tasks on pages they are privileged to access. Customer will not be allowed to access the administrator pages. Efficiency and maintainability. Page load should be written and formatted in a timely fashion depending on the request being made. Administrator can edit the aspect of the order forms, product description, prices and website directly. System architecture. System architecture have admin and user. Admin can upload product and user can purchase product. Both have its database. Functional requirement. Functional requirement consists of following: dependency and constraint. Non-functional requirement. Dependency and constraint. User can enter their details and also upload and download files. System save user details and file detail. Non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement have the following dimension: accessibility, usability, supportability, acceptability, reliability, maintainability, deployable, safe and secure.
Then here comes data flow diagram. Data flow diagram, data input gives output via system. DFD, here the data flow diagram of our project is shown. Online shopping system is related to customer management, shopping management, order management, login management, system user management, review and confirmation. Here it is a e-commerce furniture web application which is of customer side. The customer have to first of all log into the system. If he or she forgot the password, the email is sent to the user. All the credentials are checked, then he or she can manage module, that is home, product, add to cart, review and confirmation, and track their order. Here we can see e-commerce furniture web application which is admin side flow. The admin also have to log in to the system. The admin have to check all the credentials and he or she can access. The manage module are add category, product category, showcase feature, stock management, delivery charges, testimonial detail, vendor detail, home handling video, home handling image, order tracking, customer detail, partner detail. Here is a use case diagram which is just like the customer side web application and admin side web application. Here the user and customers are shown. The user have to log in, he have to do the registration, view product, add to cart, review and confirmation, track his or her order and homepage. Admin side have to do login, add category, add product, showcase feature, stock management, delivery charges, vendor detail, partner detail, customer detail, testimonial detail, home handling image, home handling video, order tracking. Now let's move to our project.
Hardware requirements: processor Pentium or more for optimum, hard disk minimum 5 GB, RAM minimum 32 MB, input devices keyboard, mouse. Software requirement: operating system Windows 9X, 200X, ME, XPX. Front end use Angular 7 and Ionic 4.0. IDE Eclipse Oxygen. Backend use Spring MVC and Hibernate. Database MySQL and server.
Now let's move towards our project. So let me explain Angular 7. First of all, Angular is a platform for building mobile and desktop web application. Basically, Angular 7 is a JavaScript, actually a Java type, based on open source full stack web application. Full stack is entire computer system or application from front end to the back end. That is, web developer can develop both client and server software. Angular 7 is completely based on components. It consists of several components which forms a tree structure with parent and child components. Here we are using Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. See, this one is the Eclipse IDE. First of all, we have to close the welcome window. Eclipse is an open source integrated development environment, that is IDE, supported by IBM. Eclipse is popular for Java application development, Java SE or Java EE, and Android apps. It also supports C or C++, PHP, Python, Perl, and other web project developments via extensible plugins. Here our project is saved in Spring Hibernate e-commerce web project. First of all, we have to open Visual Studio Code. Hibernate is a framework which provides some abstraction layer, meaning that the programmer does not have to worry about the implementations. Hibernate does the implementations for you internally, like establishing a connection with the database, writing query to perform CRUD operation, etc. Spring MVC framework. Spring Web MVC framework provides model view controller, that is MVC architecture, and ready component that can be used to develop flexible and loosely coupled web applications. Here, first of all, we have to terminate the project. For termination, here it has been asked that termination terminate batch job Y or N. We have to terminate this, so we have to type Y. Enter. Now here at right hand side the percentage are shown. Now we have to run the project on the server, so right click on Spring Hibernate, then we have to take it run as, and then run on server. Finish. Here Tomcat 8.5 is used. See at right side we can see the percentage. As soon as it get finished, our web application page will open. As soon as it gets finished, our project window will open, that is web application will open. Here this is the home page. We can see various photos of various furnitures. Here a short video is saved which we have uploaded. You can see.
Experience the best in solid wood furniture at the Wooden Street Experience Store located in HSR Layout, Bengaluru. A delectable showcase of premium quality and multi-utility furniture curated to serve the needs of every room. Browse through a great collection to create your perfect home with furniture that defines your taste. Whether it is the dreamscape of your comfortable bedroom, the chatting space of your spruced up living room, or the heart of your dining room. Utilize our customization facility or interior designing services for tailor-made solutions for your interiors. Visit the store at number 240A, first floor, accessible through 27th Main Road in Sector 2, HSR Layout. Find and customize your favorite furniture only on woodenstreet.com.
Rack, description, small, enter, small, and we have to submit. See, wooden chair is added here. Wooden rack, for example. Okay, then product name, whatever the product is. Wooden rack, then product company, product dimension, that is, then price, tax, then product description, product image, available stock, product unique ID, and all we have to submit it. Here we can see whatever we have already added. View all. See, this is the chair, its image also, homemade rack, wooden box bed, sofa, racks, etc. Then showcase features, then stock management, delivery charges, vendor details. Here we can see all the vendors. Here partner details, we can add here partner details, and these are all the partners. Then customer details, we can add here customer. Then testimonial details, home handling details, home handling video order tracking, and etc. Now at the home page side, here we can add a video which will be of less than 3 to 4 MB. Now here are some advantages and disadvantages of selling online. First of all, location of the store is unimportant when operating online, whereas it is crucial to any retailer's traditional store. Similarly, the size of the business does not matter when operating online. A small business can compete equally for customers with a large retailing chain, as consumer can use the internet to access any online store at any given time. These might be advantages. Then the disadvantages are A large obstacle for retailers going online is the lack of know how and understand. A large obstacle for retailers going online is the lack of know how and understanding of technology. Establishing an online store requires investment, as do all expansions of businesses. A combination of not fully comprehending the concept of technology required to operate online, combined with the logistics of selling item to customers from a larger geographical, is an additional cause of fearing the creation of an online store. Compared to retailing from a conventional store, an online shop lacks the face-to-face contact between the customer and the seller. For some businesses, the contact is seen as an essential part of the sale, and the selling via an online store is not believed to be successful. Now here we'll conclude our project. Conclusion: the internet has become a major resource in modern businesses. Thus, electronic shopping has gained significance not only from the entrepreneurs but also from the customer's point of view. For the entrepreneur, electronic shopping generates new business opportunities, and for the customer, it makes comparative shopping possible. Thank you.